Differences between pleural rub and crackles. Crackles affected by cough, but pleural rub not affected by cough. If applying more pressure with stethoscope, the intensity not affected, but applying more pressure with stethoscope in case of pleural rub, the intensity can be increased. So again, in crackles, the crackles affected by cough, while pleural rub not affected by cough, and the intensity uh, not affected by applying more pressure with stethoscope, while in case of crackles, while in case of pleural rub, the intensity increased by applying more pressure with stethoscope.